Watch me finally unbox my pink KitchenAid while I talk about this story. First off, I want to preface this by saying my parents, after I got married, have not once ever been disrespectful to us as a couple. I told my parents that I was going to be getting engaged about 6 months prior to. We're very planning people, so the idea that I was going to have this complete surprise engagement was pretty unrealistic. I was very close to graduating with my first degree from university. Well, I call all of my friends excitedly, and of course everyone is super excited. I call my mom. She is mad, not happy at all, starts getting really upset with me. I'm bawling. I can't believe that this is just turning into this big thing. I was terrified of going home that day, and I really couldn't understand because I had already been saying for 6 months that this was going to happen, and my mom fully agreed that it was great timing and that it was totally fine with that. But my husband never went to go ask for permission. And my mom is not a very good secret keeper. So that's why he didn't do that, because he knew that she'd probably tell me. And he made a good decision, because I asked my mom, why were you so upset about that? And she said it's because she would have told him to wait, because she really thought that I would fail out of my university courses if I got engaged before all of my exams were done. It was about 5 days before my final exams. Spoiler alert, I finished my degree. And then I went and I finished my second degree. And I got married 2 years after our engagement. I've said it before, my parents are very academics focused, but I did think it was a little bit over the top, that I was in trouble as an adult, and I got scolded a lot when I came home for getting engaged just a few weeks earlier than she thought I should. After I got engaged, I remember having to go teach piano afterwards and being so upset and having to pull myself together in the car. So the main complaint, of course, was that I was getting engaged before my exams were finished. I never ended up failing. I finished my first degree, then I finished my second degree, just like I said I would. And then I also worked in my career for a full year before getting married. We are not rash people, so we made sure that we were financially secured enough before we got married. And unfortunately, I'll always remember my engagement as something that I felt very fearful about and was very upset about for a long time. My sister got married 1 month after me. She never got scolded. She never got in trouble for getting engaged whenever she wanted to. She was congratulated to the fullest when she got married. I never got a congratulations. And although I myself am an academic and I believe that academia is very important, I don't think it's worth trading these type of precious memories for. But on the plus side, the pink KitchenAid does look great.